Hello, this is Industrial Surplus. We're demonstrating a Tsudakoma 15 3/4 inch diameter 4th axis CNC rotary table. It's a model RNCB-402R. New in 1989, equipped with a FANUC red cap AC motor drive. It has a nice feature of having a 6-inch diameter through hole. "10-inch center height in a vertical position here. Table load capacity in vertical position is about 440 pounds. In the horizontal position, it'll hold about 1,100 pounds. This table was ordered with 2 others at the time to be placed on one large vertical machining center. And we ended up with the tables. The tables were and are controlled by this console with a FANUC O-M controller. We have the parameters for it, operating manual, pretty much everything you need for it. Hydraulic clamp. Cabinet inside is very neat and organized. It was very professionally done. This console is being sold independently of the tables on a first-come, first-served basis for an additional cost. It can be used to operate all 3 tables at once in harmony or out of sync, either one table, 2 tables, or all 3. It doesn't have to, it's very versatile and nice feature. Of course, if you don't buy the controller with the table, this is a red cap motor and can be operated with any FANUC capable controller that is equipped with a 4th axis. Nice, quiet, smooth table. Very nice. Okay, thank you. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned that this is our table reference number 107B429.